My name is Michael Hossack, and my specialty is sports medicine. Been at Montefiore practicing sports medicine since 2006. I am one of the team physicians for the New York City Football Club. Native New Yorker, grew up in Harlem, love to still play sports even at my age. I love taking care of the community where I practice. I find sports medicine to be fun, I find it to be challenging. A lot of people dissuaded me from becoming an orthopedic surgeon in medical school. A lot of my mentors at the time felt that I may feel out of place. But for me, especially practicing here in the Bronx, I feel totally in place with my patients that I take care of and the faculty around me. In fact, the faculty that I practice with, they're like my family. I couldn't imagine not doing orthopedics. Yeah, I love serving the Bronx, and I couldn't imagine working with a better population than this.